is, we were solving picture sums from exercise 12a. We have solved up to 3-6. Look at question number 3-7. It is the figure you must draw. It is given, the figure is given like that. A, B, C, D and E. This angle is given 50 degree. This is given X, this is given Y, and this is given 60 degree. Right from figure, angle A is equal to 60 degree, X is equal to 50 degree. Why? Because this is a vertically opposite angle. So that's what Y is equal to 180 degree minus angle A plus X, or 180 degree. Why? Sum of three angles of triangle. So 180 degree minus the angle A's value was 60 degree and the value of X was 50 degree. So this gives you 180 degree minus 110 degree. So the value of Y is 70 degree. Write it please. Then you can see the next figure where you have given AB is equal to AC. It means triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. What we have learned? In isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. So that's what X and Y both would be equal. Look at figure number 8. The figure is something like that. This is A, C and B. This is given 50 degree. And this side let us mark like that. This is X and this is Y. So what do we see? From figure, we can see BC and AC is equal to, not AC, sorry, AB is equal to BC given. So that's what angle BAC, this angle would be equal to this angle, is equal to angle BCA, isosceles triangle property. We have learned now, two sides are equal and the base angles are equals. So that's what we can write. So X is equal to Y. Now this angle is 50 degree. X plus Y plus 50 degree is equal to, this is number 1 we got, 180 degree. This is number 2 we have got. We have got now, this is X is equal to Y. Why? This is their base angles. Sum of 3 angle is 180. So we got sum of 3 angles is equal to 180 degrees. So X plus Y plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now if you combine 1 and 2, in the first situation we have got X and Y, the value is equal. And the second situation we are getting X plus Y plus 50 degree is 180 degree. So from 1 and 2, X I am writing as it is. For this Y, may I write this X? Because the value is same, is it? If any problem, then you can ask me in comment box. First situation we have proved X and Y is equal. And second situation, we have X plus Y plus 50 is 180. So instead of writing this Y, may I write this X? Because X and Y is equal. Is equal to 50 is equal to 180. Or 2x is equal to 180 minus 50, or 2x is equal to 130 degree, x is equal to 130 degree by 2, or x is equal to 65 degree. So y is equal to also 65 degree, as x and y were equal. I have tried my level best to make you understand. Still, if there is any doubt, you can ask me regarding this sum, okay? you must know if the sides are equal, the base angles would be equal. So x and y will have the same value as AB and BC is equal. And the situation 2, when we add this 3 angle, that gives you 180. So in concluding 1 and 2, I have written x plus 50 is equal to 180, because the situation 1 we have proved x and y has same value. Okay. Similarly, you can see question number 9. Here AB and AC is equal. So x would be equal to 70 degree, because this is a base angle. If x is 70 degree and angle B is 70 degree, what would be the angle Y? You can find it well, I feel. So number 9 you have to do. Then look at question number 10 again. I'm dropping number 8. Now look at question number 10. The question is like this: a triangle is constructed. This is D, this point is C, this is B, this is A, this is X, this is Y, and this is 135 degree. Is it? This side and this side is equal. From figure, AB is equal to BC. That's what angle ABAC will be equal to angle BCA, base angles. So x is equal to angle BCA. Again, angle BCA plus 135 degree is equal to 180 degree. These two are forming 180 degree linear pair. We have learned that interior adjacent angle and exterior angle is forming linear pair. So this gives you linear pair. So what does angle BCA you get? 180 degree minus 135 degree, or angle BCA is equal to 45 degree. Now if this angle is 45, x also would be 45. So x is equal to 45 degree. Is it? Because this BCA and x were equal, we have proved. Now if these two angles are 45, what would be the value of y? X plus y plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degree. Sum of 3 angles. So x is 45 plus y plus BCA is 45 is 180, or angle BCA would be 180 minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. Please write it. This is question number 10. Now the sums are little tricky. You must apply your brain to get it. Is it? You should. Number 11 you have to do. I'm not going to do. Number 12 same as number 10. You can see you have given exterior angle 120. So Z would be 60 degree. Then Y will be equal. Then A you have to find. X you have to find. So you leave it up to question number 12 only. You have to finish 9, 11 and 12. If there is a doubt, you can ask me in comment box. I will be solving these sums next day. Till then you must keep practicing. Thank you dears.